Welcome to GKey Solutions Private Limited.
SQL Server Integration Services, Classes and Real-Time Interview Questions and Answers. Part 10. What is Character Map Transformation in SSIS?
In this part of training, we are going to discuss about what is Character Map Transformation in SSIS. In SSIS, that is SQL Server Integration Services, the Character Map Transformation is used to modify character data, that is string columns, by applying specific character level operations such as changing cases, removing diacritics, or converting between Unicode and non-Unicode. The purpose of this transformation is when you are cleaning, standardizing, or preparing text data like names, addresses, product descriptions, etc., you often need to make sure all text follows consistent formatting. For example, all uppercase or without accented characters. The character map transformation helps automate that. Let us see these things practically in SSIS, that is SQL Server Integration Services. Here I am trying to create a new package. I am trying to renaming it as character map. Character map transformation. To check character map transformation, we have to take data flow task. It used to have different transformations, sources and destination. Here, what I'm trying to do is, I'm trying to connect to SQL Server database by having OLDB source, and I'm trying to connect with this server and this database. I'm trying to connect a demo GKey, and GKey Solutions is a server name. And here I'm trying to take tabular view. In this, I'm going to take EMP table. Let us preview the data. This is the data that we are having in employee table. In employee table, the job is in job, e-name is in uppercase, and the salary, commission, DEPT, these are the different columns that we are having here. Let us see these things by using character map to convert this uppercase into lowercase kind of stuff. We try to do by using character map. Now we are going to take this character map transformation. This is a character map transformation I'm trying to take here. In character map, what are the different operations that we want to take? You can take here. I'm taking e-name here, input column, and new destination. See, these are the two options which are available here. New column means whatever you are going to do here, that is uppercase, lowercase, something like that, is going to create a new column, or it is going to, in place of change. In place change means in the same column, it is going to place that changed data. For first thing, that for the convenience, I'm taking in place only. Operation, I'm going to take lowercase here. Why? Because there is data in uppercase, e-name. And the next would be job. I am taking here also. For job, I'm creating a new column. I'm not replacing the same column. Here I'm going to create new column. That column name is copy of job. And here also I'm going to take the lowercase. Why? Because the data is in uppercase. This I want to just check what are the different things available. I'm just trying to check this data, and I'm trying to load these things into a SQL Server destination itself. Here I have taken the data or a table from the SQL Server source, and I'm trying to load the data into SQL Server destination. That is, for that we have to take OLDB destination. I'm trying to map it. Just open this one. Here I'm trying to create a new table. There are two options as we discussed in the previous sessions. We can create the table in SQL Server database side. For flexibility, I'm just creating the table here. To create the table in such a way, we have to click on the new, and here we can take any name that we require. I'm just taking character map _ TRS. is character map transformation. See here, apart from these columns, there is separate column is creating for e-name. Already existing table data is like replaced with the same column, and I'm just trying to give the mappings here. Mappings also perfectly done. I'm trying to execute this package now. Now the package got executed successfully. From source there are 14 records, and after character map also 14 records. Let us check these things in the target. Now this is the employee table that we have taken or connected from SQL Server database, which is having e-name and job with the upper cases. We have converted this e-name into lowercase with the same in the same column, and for job we have taken another new column and we have converted these things into lowercase. Let us check these things. Select from character map underscore TRS, right? This is the table that we have created. Let us check what is the table that has been created now. Here CP, okay, CP underscore TRS is the table. CP underscore TRS. Now see here in the same column, I'll try to execute both the queries. You can know the difference. There are two options. Like for e-name, I am converting the e-name as small characters in the same column only. For job, I am taking a separate column. For job columns, I just converted into the small case. In this way, we have two options in character map. In the same column, we can replace the changes, or you can create the new column based on an existing column in the source. In this way, character map is going to work in SSIS, that is SQL Server Integration Services. Thank you.
Stay connected with GKey IT solutions on all your favorite platforms. Follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. Join the GKey community and grow your IT career with us.